Ready, riders. Our DJ already. Rohana? Rohana? Bashim's ready. Riders ready. Riders to the quarterfinals. Parents, family members, and the flag. Whoa. 317. Leading the back. Good job. 309, second place. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Yay! Good job. You will need, let's go. Really right in front. Constable. Queenie in second place. Little Walk you in third place. Let's go, I said. 2 people. For the prize giving ceremony. Parents, family members. Races, please go to the stage to the podium now. Thank you.
Okay. Ayo. Dah. Come.
Parents, we'd also like to check if you had borrowed our scissors from the registration counter. Please return it, because lots of parents will quietly use the scissors as well. So please return the scissors if you have borrowed the scissors from us previously.
1, 2, 3. Okay, good luck.
Going 2 rounds for 4 years old and Anas, 2 rounds again. Run 2 rounds, run fast. 2 rounds. Alright. Parents, if you're ready, behind the white line. Marshals ready. Music ready. Riders ready. Go! 2 rounds, let's go! So, okay, let's go! 2 rounds, it's not over, it's over. Ready? Let's go! Let's go, let's go! Let's go! It's okay, let's go! 410, leading the heats. We are looking for 2 riders to hit on to the semi-finals. We have 406.
Go.
2 riders to hit on to the semi-finals. Alright. Very comfortable in front. We have Didan. Let's go. Round of applause for Didan. Moving on to the semi-finals. And in second place we have Exxon.
Hold on.
And 418. Go German. Winners. Let's go. 414.
Yeah, good job.
Good job, Actually, it's Tony Tyler. Is Tony here today? Alright, we only have 4 riders for this round, and we are looking at 2 riders to hit on to the semi-finals. Riders, you will need to run 2 rounds today, okay? 2 riders to go on to the semi-finals. Please. 2 rounds, okay? Okay? Alright, marshals ready, parents ready, Music ready, riders ready. We are looking for 2 riders to join us in these semi-finals. 2 riders. Let's go, ready. One more round. Let's go. 2 rounds. One more round. Go. Nice. This way. Let's go, one more round. This way. Let's go, this way. 10. Alright. Going on to the semi-finals, we have Friday, comfortable in the crowd. Let's go. Good job. Let's go. Second business going on to the semi-finals. We have 4, 1, 8. Let's go. Third place we have Zara. Well done, good job. Third place and the fourth place we have 105, Cody. Good job. Let's go. Let's go.
Good job.
We're going to take a break and we'll be back in 2 minutes. For those of you who just arrived, welcome to Balance Bike Class. We got 3 riders to join us in the finals, yeah? 2 rounds still. Parents, if you're already behind the white line. Behind the white line. Thank you. Marshals ready. Music ready. Riders ready.
Ramesh, ready? Push! Go!
3 riders to begin on to the finals. 3 riders. We have Tisha in front. We have Elliot in second place, Mike in third place, Pool in fourth place. It's not over till it's over. Go! Anything can happen. Fun. Let's go. Let's go, Tisha, Elliot, Pool. Let's go. One more round. Nice. We are looking for 3 riders. Hey, let's go. Run. Good job. 3 riders will join us in the finals for the World Open. You can get parents, you can get family members streaming. Getting more and more fans. Let's go. Alright, going on to the finals, we have Tisha, Elliot, and Hood. Round of applause for Kyrie. Round of applause for rider Dinos and also Ezra. Well done. Round of applause, please. Good job. Finish up strong. Let's go. One more turn, Ezra. You can do it. Yes, go back. Alright, moving on to semi-finals number 2. We're looking for 1 more You get medal again? And sticker. Alright. We have our top 6 finalists for this round. 2 rounds. Marshals ready, parents ready, music ready, riders ready. Who has the first one? Dina! Dina is first place, riding for me, closely behind. Tisha in third place, Adam in fourth. Who in fourth? Adam in fifth. Let's go, let's go! Run, 2 rounds, anything can happen. Let's go, run, focus. Who in fourth? Adam in fifth, Ellen in 6th place. Let's go, Dina! 1 more round. You see him screaming at the turn. So much passion. Let's go! Alright! Final lap, let's go! Let's go! It's not over until it's over, let's go! Champion! 44-year-old category! Race tag number 410, Didan! Running second place, third place, we have, let's go, Tisha! 4th place, Hoon, 5th place, Elliot, and 6th place, Adam. Well done. Round of applause for riders.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, thumbs up! Thumbs up! Hey, champion!